Hi, my name's Michael Carney and I'm the president of the Coburg Harriers, which is an athletic club in Coburg celebrating this year its 125th anniversary. I've been asked, and I'm really happy to support the Rotary Walk for Mental Health. I know that, like many of us, mental health is a real issue in the community in general, but it's absolutely exacerbated by the pandemic. And it's a real issue for young and old, perhaps more so for the young right now. Sport has a huge role in our community and always has. It provides a social outlet, it provides a psychological sense of well-being, and of course, the physical benefits of sport don't need to be mentioned. Whatever we are allowed to do for recreation, that you take advantage of that you go for a walk, perhaps even without a phone, so that you walk briskly and test yourself, you go for a run, you lift some weights. If you don't have weights, lift the cat, whatever you like, but just engage in something physical so that you get the benefit of the physical exercise. On the social side, if you did belong to a sporting organisation and it's now you're out of touch, you can get in touch. You pick up the phone and you ring someone you know, because whilst you might be okay, they might not.
With all that's going on, everybody's life has been thrown out of what was normal. And I think that we need to be aware of mental health, to be able to just say to somebody, how are you? Are you okay? I'd like to see all Rotarians walk and talk for mental health. And this can be done through the project that Moreland Rotary Club's got going this year. And this program can be taken right through our district, which goes up into New South Wales.
In the mental health space for young people, it's extremely critical that we as a community really get behind young people and really support them on their mental health, on their journey. We have essentially an obligation to really be a community that is caring and that really supports young people to develop their resilience and their strengths. The strategies that I would really recommend that the community can support, especially young people, but also just people in general, is not being afraid to really ask somebody, are they okay? Or just to have a conversation, or just to, even better, just be that person that actually listens. There's also a significant amount of supports in place, which are highly publicised around places that people can ring if they do need support and they are struggling. And I guess that's where someone in the community, if they are worried and concerned about someone that they do have a conversation with, they can access all of those key supports.
Well, first of all, thanks so much for registering for the Lift the Lid Walk on Mental Health. It's a great initiative and we're so proud to be sponsoring this event and really commend Rotary for being the organisers. So you're doing your part to support mental health research and raise awareness by being part of this walk. People have really been suffering from repeated lockdowns and people feeling anxious, overwhelmed, sometimes really experiencing mental health problems for the first time. And sometimes it's hard to know where to go to access services or support. Well, Merry Health, we've been supporting families, communities, individuals for over 40 years, and we have quite a range of mental health programs. We can point you in the right direction for information and support. We can provide counselling, support from peers as well who've been through the same experience. We do understand and we are here to help. So look out for yourself and others around you. Enjoy walking and talking about mental health. And remember, it is okay to say you're not okay. And more than ever, this is the time to reach out, support each other and take care of each other.